COVID is not like flu, it is so much worse, and if my posting can encourage someone to take an extra step of precaution, that would be great. Also, if you know of people not taking COVID seriously, please have a conversation with them about it. People are dying. Rachel Kholisi. So Rachel Kholisi has been posting on her Instagram that she tested positive for COVID and she's doing so much better right now. She posted that I never had fever, no sore throat, no coughing. I actually spent the day in a pool and I assumed I had sinus infection up until I realized that I couldn't smell anything. It has been so rough and scary at times, especially when you have small kids who don't understand why they can't touch you. My heart breaks for those who are in hospital having to fight this alone, not knowing if they will ever see their loved ones. Actually, my heart breaks for the healthcare workers working tirelessly and they are understaffed while others are not taking the safety precautions. So Sia Kholisi posted on Instagram and said that date nights have changed a bit. It's been a roller coaster experience. I tested negative, which is something that I'm incredibly grateful for, seeing how hard it has been hard for Rachel. It hasn't been easy, especially when I can't physically be with her. It has definitely taken a toll on the kids, not having their mom being with us. I've picked up on the household responsibility for the first time ever and realized what it's been like. When I go to the tours, it's not easy. I know so many people who are really suffering watching loved ones being affected by COVID, or they have been physically affected. Let's continue to remember the seriousness of this virus and do everything we can to protect those who are around us. So you guys, yeah, Kholisi is so supportive. So by the end of this video, I'll share with you guys the precautions that you should do from time to time, like steaming, drinking which type of vitamins to protect yourself against COVID-19. Till I see you again, thank you for watching. Bye.